Hi, I'm Nina with WTI, and this is my Tazo Earl Grey Tea. Already I can smell the bergamot. It smells so delicious, and as you can tell, it's in a tea bag with enough tea to make that super duper tasty. This is a stronger tea, which I love. I water down my Earl Grey with a little bit of milk and honey, so I need a strong tea to start with. Smells so good. I'm pouring a little bit in there. It immediately turns a darker color. You can tell this is going to be a strong tea. So I'll let that steep for a couple minutes. Okay, so our Earl Grey is done steeping, and you can tell how dark it is. It's almost like a dark red. It smells so good. Still very hot. Super strong, super flavorful, which is exactly how I like it because I'm going to add a little bit of half and half. So I love this tea, and that's my point of view.